Once the flap length is confirmed on the sizing chart, the flap may be trimmed along the outer edge of the red line to fit your size. Insert each flap into the corset pockets and smooth the pockets down to secure the Velcro in place. To add the 6-inch extender, open the flap and fasten it to the panel. Begin by holding the brace against your back as shown here. Pull the right side across your body and hold it. Now pull the left side over and press the two sides together. Now pull the compression strap out and across your body and Velcro it to the center. Pull the chest piece across and clip it to the left side. Pull the shoulder straps on the DLK simultaneously to achieve the appropriate amount of tension.